Clean like whistle,
Sharp like razor.
boy girl missing.
Clean like Peter, touch bush every day, all day.
Listen,
And learn.
ready? Every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean.
Clean.
And all who are say me no fresh, what the fuck you mean?
What the fuck you mean?
Every day me clean, every day me clean.
Clean.
Breath fresh, Listerine. Every day me clean. Them say clean so, what make you clean so? Them want know how me clean so.
Ready.
Jamaica, Puerto Rico, you don't know how the thing go.
Tingo.
Sakpa say Santa Lamingo. Heavy girl want fi mingle.
Mingo.
Them now ask me if me single. Them all over me like shingle. Watch ya now, touch the street you know me well clean. Breath fresh, Listerine.
Listerine.
Push the start, high beam. Happy a girl a scream.
See that?
Patsy Suzette, Eileen. Say them want join my team. Yo, you can't be a king if you don't have a queen. Must in your dream. Every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean.
Clean.
And all who are say me no fresh, what the fuck you mean?
What the fuck you mean?
Every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean.
Clean.
Breath fresh, Listerine. Every day me clean. From me fresh out of the shower, my clothes are for fresh. Everything brand new, no need for press. Have your girl in my house, well undressed, and I rub down my chest. You know what's next? No second thought, no need for guess. I'm not DJ Kelly, but I'm the best. Third leg in her belly, hands on the breast. She said I'm the best. Every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean.
Clean.
And all who are say me no fresh, what the fuck you mean?
What the fuck you mean?
Every day me clean,
Clean.
every day me clean.
Clean.
Breath fresh, Listerine. Every day me clean. That is it. Check the drip. From my head to my toe, everybody know. Haha, clean. Where you say that for G? You have the girl in my pre. See there. Every day me clean.
White sneakers, white shirt, you don't know my boy never dirty. Let me say, yo ladies, that's Platnum Starr, you don't know. The biggest artist, reggae artist coming out of Brooklyn right now. So the word, Platnum Starr, big boss, we out.